Hello, and today we'll be seeing a Java program on interfaces and runtime polymorphism. So, what an interface is? Interface is similar to a class, but it is a feature of Java which provides you, which gives an interface or an abstract idea of what functions can a user perform. So, interfaces allows multiple inheritance, whereas Java doesn't allows multiple inheritance through extends keyword. But with inheritance, we could see that we could implement, not extends, we could implement from two base classes. So that's with inherit interfaces, and every data members inside the interface are final, and every member functions inside the interfaces are abstract public, so its body has to be defined inside the subclasses of it. It's just to be overridden. And now let's see a program. We have a class called contacts, which represents details such as name, phone number, and email ID, where name and email ID is of string type, and phone number is of integer or long or anything. And then we have a constructor and a setter function, which is to be for used for every data members, that is name, phone, and email ID. And then let's create an interface called as contact table for functionalities such as add contact, edit contact, and view contact. And then there should be two subclasses named Facebook and WhatsApp, through which we would through which object we would access the records. And now it should work with runtime polymorphism as well. So let's see the program. So this is the contact class, which consists of three data members: name, phone number, and email ID, and it consists of the respective getters and setters, which was used by insert code mechanisms. We have got it. And then this is the inheritance. We have inheritance contact table with three member functions, and we also have the subclasses, which is Facebook and WhatsApp, which Facebook is extends from contact and implements from contact table. And then we also have the overridden member functions as add contact, which would take input from the user, that is, see, the variable s is a string for name, and then we'll invoke the setter function of the object and pass it as argument. And then this is seen for both number and email as well. And edit contact also uses the same idea of uh, re-entering or resetting the name data members, but it has a logic in the main, which we'll come to know in the main function. And then view contact is for displaying all the three data members, and this similar role is being performed in the WhatsApp class as well. Here it extends from contact and implemented from contact table, so we could access the data members from it. And the add contact is used to add the data members, and view contact is used to display it. And edit contact will edit only the specific contact which we have searched in the main and as per the requirement of the user. So let's see the main function. In main, we ask the user which mode is it, WhatsApp or Facebook, through a menu driven function. And then if it's WhatsApp, then we create a array of objects for WhatsApp. We allocate an array for WhatsApp with the upper bound of 9. And then here the base class contact is used for reference variable array. It's OB. And then we have a variable named CUR for current, and then we assign, okay, O for equal to 1, that's just for the while loop, infinite loop. And then okay, here we attain runtime polymorphism, as you can see, and the current is used to set the current number of records at each looping. And then in a menu driven function we have three options for add, edit and view contents. If it is to add content, we ask the user how much more contents are you going to add to the variable n, and then from cur to cur plus n we run a loop and we initialize the WhatsApp object, that's ob of I equal to new WhatsApp. So an object of WhatsApp is being created for that particular index, and then we call the add contacts for the particular object created, and then we reset current as current plus n outside the loop and we break from the loop. If it is to edit the content, we ask the user what is the name of the record or the name of the person whose record is to be edited, and we store it in S, and then we iterate from 0 to current and then checks whether the name matches with the name of the object, name in the object. If so, we call the edit contact for that particular object alone. Whereas display or view contents displays every informations from 0 to current object. Thus we get every details of the person who are in WhatsApp, and the same is used for Facebook, and we could see that. Now let's run this program and check its validity. So let's give it for WhatsApp. I want to add contents and the number of new is 2. Let the name be Ali and number be 3456 and the email be Ali123 and the second name be David and the number be 987, whatever it be, and David 12345 be the email ID. Now let's continue and let's view the content, and here you could see the contents are displayed. And now let's continue and try to edit some detail. So now the customer name is being asked. Let's edit for David. Yes, so the new name, let it be Rohan and the number be 7652 and the email ID be Rohan123, and let's continue and then let's view it. And now you could see that after Ali, it's David is being replaced by Rohan and the number is also changed, and Rohan123 is the new email ID. And this program works successfully, and this is it about interface and runtime polymorphism. Thank you.